welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this bold look for you guys. If you would like and subscribe, it's greatly appreciated. I did use a couple different palettes for this look just because one palette didn't have all the colors that I need, but you could really use any palette that you have that has these colors in it, and I think it would turn out just fine. So if you're interested in seeing the way I did this look, then stay tuned and we will get into it.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. Hey, you made me a believer, believer. Hey, I let the bullets fly, I let them rain. My luck, my love, my God, they keep pain. My soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the
Okay, so this is the finished look. Here it is up close one more time so you guys can get a better look at it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.